Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Let's continue the chapter of sound. Open page number 12. Until now we have read that there are many different types of sound. Sounds are produced when something vibrates. Remember communication. For talking, we use sound to send information or messages. When we talk, we pass message to the others. Like your teacher used sound to tell you about the new chapter or any other thing, to give you information, to let you learn something new. And you produce sound to give message that you understood that. Or for example, if someone is asking you about your name or your address, you produce sound to give information. Or you want to say something to your mom that you want a new toy or you want to drink milkshake, then you give a message using sound to your mother that mom, I want to drink milkshake. How does your teacher communicate in your class, or how I am communicating in this video? It's by sound. I am giving you a lecture, making you understand the topic of sound by using sound that you can hear through this recording video. Besides talking, we communicate by laughing when we are happy, we cry when we are sad. If we are not making sound, then also we can communicate. Communicate means that we can tell other people that what we are thinking or feeling. Like laughing, if we are laughing, that anyone looking at us can see that we are happy about something. And if we start crying, then someone will know that. Since we clap our hands when we enjoy a performance. A newborn baby cannot talk it usually communicate by crying. What is a crying baby trying to tell his mother? Father, look at this small picture of a baby crying. Because babies cannot talk, they make sound. By crying, they tell the parents that they are hungry or they are feeling something else. Use sound to show the feelings below. Angry, bored, pain, sleepy, excited. These all are feelings we can tell about, or we can tell other peoples about by beside talking. If we don't want to talk, or by not talking, we can tell these types of expressions. There are different ways through which message or communication to us. There are different ways through which messages are communicated to us. Like someone else is sending you a message, we can use these appliances to get or receive that message. Look around your home. What are some of the objects that can help you send or receive message? Radio. Radios can send you message or news by recording. Telephone. Someone can call you and inform you about something, or you call someone to tell something about using telephone. Sound system, it produces sound to you. Television, it also give you news or communicate message to you. Mobile phone, you receive messages on mobile phone. Computer, you see news, you see articles, you use internet, and you can know all over about the world's information and messages on the computer. You can also get emails on the computer. The objects shown above help us to communicate. These are all the objects which help us to communicate with each another. Try it out. What you need: 2 plastic or paper cups, pencil, long string. Now do this experiment at home. It will be very fun. What to do? Telephones are used for sending or receiving messages. You can make your own simple telephone. Now it's very easy. You can make your own telephone. Get 2 plastic or paper cups. Get 2 paper cups. Use the tip of a pencil to price a hole through the bottom center of each cup. Look at the picture and use a pencil to make a hole at the bottom of the cup. Thread a long string through each hole. Each hole, tie a big knot at each end. Hold one cup over your ear. Your partner should hold the other cup and pull the strings tight, like this in the picture. Ask your partner to speak into the other cup. Can you hear your partner speak? Now speak into the cup. Your partner should be listening with the other cup over his or her ear. Can your partner hear you clearly? Try this experiment at home. page number 16. Use different types of string. There are different type of string we use. Telephone, you can try cotton string, woolen string, raffia, metal string or nylon string. Which type of string give the clearest sound? Which type of string give the clearest sound? We usually use cotton strings. Metal strings are used in guitar and musical instruments. Nylon strings. Clothes are made with nylon strings. Raffia strands are used for making baskets. Woolen strings are suitors and winter clothes are made by woolen strings. Sounds are used for communication. We use them to send information or messages. Talking, crying, laughing and clapping hands are some ways we can communicate using sounds. We can show that we are angry, bored, pain, sleeping, excited by giving expression or by using our expressions. We can show that we are angry, sleepy, in pain, bored, excited by using expressions. Your homework is to read chapter carefully, like and subscribe SSCA YouTube channel for notification so that page will alert you if there is any new video uploaded on time. Bye bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.